Okay, here's my scrap pile. This is about I don't know, around 8 or 9 days basically. I also had 2 van loads I took back already. You've seen that in the previous videos. There's a lot of material here. Lots of appliances, and all this is done by my van. So you don't need a big vehicle. A van works fine. I could take 1,000 pounds in my van, right? Sure, a lot of material here. Lots of appliances. There's 3 fridges and lots of stoves and washers, dryers, stainless steel, aluminum, all this here. A couple sinks, all those TV sets here. I gotta take all those apart. It's about at least 10 flat screens, and then at least could be as much as 8 or 9 monitors. And there's printers mixed in here too. You can't see them, but they're here somewhere. Printers too. Just look at the mass of this. The yard is busting. Aluminum door. Gotta be taken apart. I found a shelf the other day you seen on the video. So now I'm just gonna just store stuff there until I clean it. I have to call the CPUs out of here. There's not really all. It's just a board to take out, a little bit of wire. So it's a pretty massive haul, I'll tell you. These ones, sometimes you can sell those, but if not, scrap life. Okay, that's it. I gotta do an inspection right now, so I'm gonna go, and then my buddy told me about a plumber. He needs some stuff taken away. Got a boiler and some bunch of junk, so hopefully that pans out. Okay, stay tuned. The adventure continues. I'm testing a building here. Washrooms here. Kitchen area. It's going to be a open concept basically. It's a bunch of offices. Partition walls come out in the center. All the center walls come out. The washrooms gets the cupboards taken out and all that. All the shelves come out. The closet comes out. But it's just the columns stay, the outside walls stay, except all the inside walls come out. Bunch of little rooms here. Carpets come out, all the built-ins come out, so it's just be a square box in here with just totally square, no inside walls, only a washroom in the corner. And this comes out, carpets come out. It's a little storage closet there, stairways there. Okay. This could be a possible job. Possibly. And then here's your downstairs retail space. That partition wall comes out there. We're downtown. All the carpets come out down there. A couple walls, the partition comes out. A few walls downstairs, not very much. Most demos here in this area. Okay, job here. All the ceiling comes out. Probably the drywall. This washroom comes out. Partitions come out over here. Carpets come out. All the walls and ceiling come out of the washroom. It's going to be relocated to the back. So all the washroom is going. This stays. This wall stays. So all the carpets partition either way. Columns stay. So I believe the washroom probably goes to here. Probably be located to here, probably. Scooters in the alley. Looks like they're in pretty good shape. Looks like they're getting outdated. A nice aluminum frame. Okay, stay tuned. First pickup of the day. Always handy for something. Old metal box.
Put the scooters inside it. Will it fit inside the table?
No.
Put it in the garbage can.
The stand-up fan here. Getting the impression it may work the way they covered it up, but we'll see. It's hard to organize here. It's nice to get a couple big things first and then get the smaller stuff to fit in between, but sometimes it's small stuff and then big stuff comes out of nowhere and then you're stuck again. Okay, let's keep going. No cord. Cord's missing, but good for shred life. Fridge doors. Take up a lot of space, don't weigh nothing, but going in for the hell of it. Put here, but guess I'm gonna start putting stuff in my van. Let's take a barbecue here, top of the stove.
Apparently it ended up being like a small pickup truck.
Electric lawnmower, or gas lawnmower actually. I'm gonna have to stop filming for a minute here. Just stand by. Just I need two hands. Barbecue, gas powered lawnmower, stove top, and some other stuff. But illegal dumping. So see what else there is here before I go. He dumped a bunch of shit. Okay. Makes them a little bit happy, right? Here's a piece of metal here. Okay. Yeah, I had to do an inspection, so I showed you the interior of what we're going to do a demo probably, but I have to do an inspection first, and then I figured since I'm in Vancouver, I might as well try to get a load, so it's looking like that way. Okay. Not too bad. But so I had to cut the handles off the gas motor, and then I cut something else here. But anyways, let's continue. I think I'm safe on the side of the road here. It's the mattress spring here. Not so heavy, but I'm gonna see if I can lift it up. I'm gonna try to put it right in there. Just see how if I can do it or not. There it is. There it is. It's in metal base, so it's pretty heavy. It says F-U-C-K Donald Trump, huh? Peace. Oh, good for scrap laugh. Let's hope I can get it in. These are the old school heavy ones. They're got a lot of metal internal framing. Yeah, right on the side there will do. Maybe they had a Donald Trump wrecking party or something. Oh, figured that stupid shelf is gonna get me. Okay, let's see where I can put it on the other side. Looks like a shuffle. Yeah, I'll just put it on through the other side. Wow, it's heavy. There it is. Samsung. Okay, got that in. Also a propane tank. Sitting here. Yeah, it's not really empty. Got liquid in there, so I'm gonna pass on that. Just in case they plan to keep it. Okay. Oh, pretty beat up scooter.
What did it have?
That's so rusty, it's not gonna fold. A scooter there. What was this here? It's a tile and an old window. Okay. There's always something in the way here. Chair there. Oh. I can't open it. Okay, 2 mops here. Apparently there's something right over here. Yeah, I gotta go ahead for that. Trampoline pieces. I'm gonna go ahead for it. You just never know what pops up. Those are the light fixture pieces there. It's actually from a light fixture. No ballast. I'll throw that in. Those other pieces there. Figure how I'm gonna put it in. Okay, should fit in there like that. You know, curvy pieces. This adds up pretty good. Extra weight. There's 2 more pieces. Must have been a small one. I don't see the legs for it either. Okay, now I gotta throw this one in here now. Okay, it's in. So I'll pick up right here. That's pretty light. It's kind of running out of space now, so. close like that. Let's see. Yeah. Now just throw these things in here. So drywall corner beads. They're unused, but they're still metal. Well, it's filling up there. Look at that. Wrap Life. Little table. There's a net here. I don't know if I can get it in. Probably not worth it, but just gonna grab these poles. Let's get the netting on the side.
Can you slide that right on top or bend it in half?
Yeah, bend in half. That's a good plan. Glad I got a good passenger, otherwise that might have been even this. Okay, the buggy wheels are broken, or part of it was broken. Okay, let's move on. Someone got in the TV already. We left one board in there, we took the main boards out. And the strip boards are in. That's where all the gold plating is. All here is the gold plating in this board here. They took the power board and the other board. She's gonna try to do that buggy if we can do it up. Okay, let me just throw this in. Should throw it to the back. Running out of space here. Wow. Well, I'm gonna come back here. I'm doing another load, so. Then stand by. Everything's in, ready to go. I think I might have a little spot here. Huh? That's where it's supposed to go. Slid back. Get this slid up. I think that's it. I gotta call it a night. Not a night, but this load's done. That load's full. One of those burners. Heater, outside heater, so I'm gonna grab that on my way back. That's been there for a whole day. Tanks out of it. Maybe I'll have to cut it apart or something. I'll figure it out. Gotta come back for that. Well, the burners are inside. It's a gas one, so it's got a little bit of weight. Okay, that's it. Oh, it's heavy, pretty heavy. No propane tank. Oh, that fits in there good. It's been sitting here for 2 days, this thing that I know
Not
of.
the best, but it's better than
It's all
nothing.
rusty, but
And she kept telling me she was going to pay
Okay.
me, but she never did. So
there it is. Cement mixture and just some odds and ends. Okay. It's mostly plastic. Too much plastic. I haven't had one for a while. I'll try to drain it. Sometimes it's full of water. I'll put it across the seat. Oh, there it is, see? It's got water in it. Basically 10 feet away from that water cooler. On the side of the garage, a couple rotors here. Very heavy, these things are probably like 20 pounds each. Probably off a bigger vehicle. Right there. Okay, let's keep going. That's my load right now. Starting to fill up slowly. Okay. The gas stove here. I took the burners off it, or the grill off it, but I have to come back. Maybe. It's just so far to drive. It's just it's in late too, but okay. Just got to debate on what I'm gonna do. Just endless amount of metal out here, just never ending. Okay. It's a neat looking stool, but not for me. So I did get a bike. I did get a bunch of other stuff here. I didn't film because my video was gonna get too long, but say I got a bike, a little stroller, and just miscellaneous things, a little tank. Who knows what else, but I got all this looks like maybe for drying your clothes, like a coat hanger, a clothes hanger type thing. Okay, I'll cruise a little more. I'm gonna head home. It's getting late. Gotta put my video on shorty.